Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all? Hopefully you are all doing well. So recently I have purchased a Gorillapod for my YouTube videos, so I'm going to tell you about the user experience of it and how you can use a Gorillapod and what is the facilities of a Gorillapod is. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so here it is, my Gorillapod. So it is similar like a Joby pod, but it is not a Joby pod, but all the characteristics are the same as Joby pod. This is a simple Gorillapod, but it is very useful and super flexible. You can move the tri-legs like this and this. You can move it anywhere you can like, and this is a rubbery surface so that it can give a tight grip to it, but make sure you adjust it carefully so that it can flexible to your hand and it feels comfort. All you have to do is bend a slide like this, like a banana. Okay, after that use your fingers to each gap. You see, each gap you will use your finger to hold it tight, and you can block through it, and you can easily unplug this thing. What is that called? I don't know. It's very strong so that you can secure your smartphone over here, or SLR, camcorder, or DSLR, whatever you like to use it. Okay, there is a button over here, and if you like to unplug it, you simply press the button and hold it like this. Look at how smoothly it came. Look, wow. And you can plug it like this. Simply just press a little bit. You heard the noise? That means this thing is secure. It can easily hold a full-size DSLR very easily. I ordered it from Daraj, Bangladesh, but I select the medium size, but they gave me small. I couldn't change it back in pandemic situation. I think it's usable, not that small, but I think medium size would be a very handy for me. There is a mobile holder, they gave it free. Here it is, and you will spin it. Spin it. Make sure it is tight enough, and if you feel that it's loose, you can simply unplug it, and there is a screw over here. You can simply tighten it. Okay, for DSLRs you don't need this. This is a mobile holder, not for DSLRs. There is a rubbery surface so that it won't be scratched to your expensive DSLRs camcorders, so it is very useful thing. Okay, let's just plug it. You heard the noise, it's safe and sound now. Although it's cheap, a budget tripod, but it is very useful and durable. In various online shops you can easily find it. So let me cast aside, and this was my user experience. I tried to explain as short as I can. If there was a mistake by me regarding reviewing this product, please avoid it. Support me so that I can work more. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. I will see you in another vlog, and stay home, stay safe. Till then, bye.